Ushma Tyagi and I welcome you all to yet another episode of Play a Little More. We are here at GMR Aerocity, which is the proud community partner of our very own Delhi Capitals this IPL season. Do you remember the last episode of first of its kind, Play a Little More Cricket Carnival 2022? The DC Toli marched towards this beautiful mural that you all can see behind me. Well, do you know this is the first DC monument in the city? Isn't it awesome? We hope you all enjoyed the power-packed performances by DC Toli in the last episode because I certainly was mesmerized by them. Of course, DC fans like you are as talented as our DC team. So we at GMR Aerocity would love to convey our best of wishes to the Delhi Capitals team. Talking about GMR Aerocity, well, do you know it in itself is a community? There are 11 internationally renowned hospitality brands where you can enjoy the luxuries of life and unparalleled fun. GMR Aerocity brings to you various engagements where we are giving you a chance to win some really cool and exciting prizes. So why wait? Let's catch up with Shaira and take you to all the fun and excitement that we are experiencing here together. Hi Shaira, how are you doing?
Very well, Ushma. How are you? You look absolutely gorgeous.
So do you. Thank you so much. Well, Shaira, tell our viewers, since you have been taking care of all the fun activities that are happening here at GMR Aerocity, how's the response so far?
The response has actually been great. It has been nothing short of overwhelming because all the participants who have been coming in have been having so much fun. They have been really loving the games that we're playing with them, and some of them do seem to be a little hesitant when they come in, but as soon as they start playing, they just don't want to stop. So it's been a superb experience playing with them.
Wow, that sounds so amazing. So what are we waiting for? Let's go engage with all the people who are coming in here at GMR Aerocity and have fun with them. Live a little more, play a little more.
5 questions, out of which if you give 3 correct answers, you win the goodie. Ready? You have to tell me how many hotels are there in GMR Aerocity?
7.
No, more than that. I'll give you 3 options. Okay. 10, 15, 11.
11.
11 is right. Okay, so I helped you a bit, but that's okay. Second question. You have to name 3 restaurant brands that start with C. It could be restaurant, it could be shopping, anything that start with C.
Chayos and Costa Coffee.
Yes, absolutely right. So, okay, you got 2 correct. Now, I'm going to ask you the third question. One of India's most premium salon ka chain which is there in Aerocity.
Hair Masters.
Hair Masters is wrong. Fourth question. Which is the most popular South Indian food restaurant chain at Aerocity?
Sagar Ratna.
Sagar Ratna is absolutely correct. You are not going to answer this and you corrected answered. Right. USA, there you play baseball, not cricket, yeah?
Not cricket, no. Different, very different.
So how was it experiencing cricket here? I've been told you held the bat for the first time in your hand.
Yeah, it's completely different from baseball. Nothing like at all. It's different swing, different. They're pushing it more.
Absolutely. First one for you. What does DC stand for? Delhi Capital. See, that was so easy. Do you know what is DC's slogan? Okay, I'll tell you. It's ये है नई दिल्ली. Tell me, what is the slogan of GMR Aerocity that we are all celebrating here? It's right there. Play a little more. And also tell me, who is the vice captain?
David Warner.
It is David Warner. Yes, absolutely right. So what the captain is, ring a bell?
Rishabh Pant.
Alright, you answered them all well, yeah.
If I asked you questions about the Delhi Capitals, would you know?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, awesome. Let's see. Would you know who the captain of Delhi Capitals is?
Rishabh Pant.
That is correct. What about the coach?
Ricky Ponting.
That is right. And the opening batsman?
David Warner with Rishabh.
This is definitely a Delhi Capitals fan. Not everyone has been able to answer all 3 questions so far. So that's lovely.
Okay, can you name, let's say, two restaurants which are in GMR Aerocity. I'm sure you must have walked around here.
I just visited Dhaba and Delhites.
Delhites and Dhaba, that is correct. Can you name one of the most popular South Indian chains which are here at GMR Aerocity?
Sagar Ratna.
That's absolutely correct. Well, if you don't know much about cricket, she definitely knows about GMR Aerocity, and for that I'm going to give her a goodie. How was your experience playing the games here?
Yeah, very. If I get goodie.
Absolutely. If she gets goodie, then it's all happy. Well, thank you so much for joining us here at GMR Aerocity.
Thank you so much.
Cricket related because it has cricket terms and terminology in it. Okay, so are you ready to play a tongue twister with us?
Red leather, white leather, red leather, white leather, red leather, white leather, red. छक्के पे छक्का, चौके पे छक्का, चौके पे चौका. Wait, what was the third one? Cricket craze, cricket craze, cricket craze, cricket craze, cricket craze, cricket craze, cricket. Cricket craze, 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 cricket craze. Cricket craze, cricket craze, cricket craze, cricket craze, cricket.
Very nice.
पापड़ पका पापड़ कच्चा 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 पापड़ कच्चा
पे चौका चार पकड़ते हुए उसने पकड़ ली.
किसको पकड़ लिया? बॉल को.
ये उड़ती हुई बॉल गई चौके के पार और छक्का लग गया.
चौके के पार और छक्का लग गया. वाह, क्या कमेंट्री है.
उड़ते हुए पकड़ी पर बॉल फिसलते हुए गई. चार.
ये बॉल उड़ी और ये पार हो गई.
चौका.
ये सब पीछे बॉल के भागते हुए लेकिन पकड़ नहीं पाए.
गिरे जा रहे हैं.
ये देखो पकड़ ही नहीं पा रहे, सारे ऐसे जा रहे हैं. ओ कैच, अरे यार कैच छूट गया.
अरे यार, कैच भी नहीं कर पा रहा.
फील्डिंग भी नहीं हो रही इनसे अच्छे से, ना कैच कर पा रहे हैं.
ऑलराइट, ब्लू टी शर्ट वाले ने लाल टी शर्ट वाले की तरफ बॉल फेंका. उसने बैट से कुछ तो किया लेकिन वो हवा में ही गई और नीचे आके टपक गई. छक्का लगा था चौका मुझे नहीं पता. फिर से बॉल हवा में है, नीचे टपकी है ऐसे जैसे कि पेड़ से गिरा हो खजूर. ऑलराइट, फील्डिंग बहुत ही बुरी हो रही है यहाँ पर बिकॉज कोई बॉल को रोक ही नहीं पा रहा है.
Wow, that was so amazing. I hope you also enjoyed every bit of fun and excitement that GMR Aerocity brought to its visitors. Yes, indeed, Ushma. It was super fun and I really hope that our viewers also enjoyed our participants having fun and that instead of watching from the comforts of their home, they will join us here on ground next time and have just as much fun with us. That is super awesome. On that note, please allow us to bid goodbye to you all as we come to an end of the fun-filled episode. But do not be upset because we will be back next week with another episode for you filled with fun. Another episode of Play a Little More! Play a Little More!